Hello everybody, welcome back to the ResetInfo channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use 200 megapixel mode on your OPPO Find X9 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the camera app, and in the camera app we need to go over, and here we are on the normal photo. Now normal photo is 12 megapixels, so we want to change it by going left until we see Hasselblad Hi-Res, and here normally it will be set to 50. As you guys can see, it's 50. Now let me quickly put it at 1. It'll be 50 megapixels. So we want to change it, and we want to click on this button right here. So now we enable 200, and I already took some pictures so that you guys can compare the sizes. The first picture right here is basically 200 megapixels, and it is 16,320 by 12,256. It's 25.5 megabytes, and it's in JPEG, of course. Now we got another one, and this is also 200 megapixels. This one is 27.3 megabytes, so it's even more. Now this is the 50 megapixel, which is only 9.4 megabytes, and it's 8,160 by 6,128. Now here we have a picture which is 12 megapixels, and it's only 4.3 megabytes. It's 4,096 by 3,072. And as you guys can see, the difference is definitely here. This one is only 4.3, and this one right here is 25.5. So this is a difference of 21 megabytes per picture. So you can definitely stuff some pictures here, but it will waste your storage so much. And that's basically how you guys can easily use the 200 megapixel mode. So we're gonna go here again. Let me quickly take a picture like this. It's 200 megapixels, and let's point it at something. So we got the picture right here. Now I think it is processing it, because it will first say that it's 12. Now it's 201 megapixel, and that's basically how you guys can easily take pictures like these. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.